Meet Bill, an assembly line operator at ABC Manufacturing. He's highly experienced and a great problem solver. Just recently, Bill has run into fastener troubles. For days, Bill kept these problems under control. However, with many difficulties, Bill had to turn to management. The team simply can't afford broken parts, worn tools, or worse, an injury to Bill. Does Bill's plant manager know relying on quality and existing suppliers can be a lengthy process in today's market, especially if rework is required? Let the ITW Shakeproof experts help. Shakeproof Engineering works with you by developing questions, identifying improvement areas, and offering solutions to unique fastener challenges. Shakeproof's mission as a top fastener manufacturer is simple: to combine highest quality manufacturing with the most cost-effective solutions. From initial concept to testing to manufacturing control to finalizing the end product, Shakeproof engineers deliver simple fastener ideas to help your industry take off. Reach out at www.shakeproof.com and keep Bill working safe, fast, and efficient.